Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce you three amazing Elementor add-ons, and with these three plugins, with these three plugins, you can get all the Elementor Pro features. Yeah, I mean almost all. Yeah, except for the dynamic contents, dynamic. Uh, Everything you will get everything with these three free amazing WordPress plugins. Okay, first is this element ready light, and second is this LA Studio element kit for Elementor, and third is master elements. All these three elements have the feature to design your header and footer, but for the header and footer and other things that the theme builder or features that we have in the Elementor Pro, I think this LA Studio Elementor kit, element kit for Elementor is more comprehensive. Let's check it out here. LA Studio kit theme builder. Here you'll see, just like you find in the Elementor Pro, they have header, footer, single post, single page, archive page, search results, error 404. So except for the WooCommerce part, you have everything here you need for the theme builder related design. You can design anything about your website with this feature. Okay, and for the WooCommerce part, you will get from the master elements. From the master elements, you go to the options. Okay, it has also a header, footer. You can also design archive page, single page, 404, blog page, everything, including mega menu, nested sections. You can design those that I have offered for available in the LA Studio kit. It's also available in this master element. But the thing is, uh, for each and every feature template type, you will get another menu item here, just like the WooCommerce page, like this one. This I have enabled only this WooCommerce page, so there is this menu item, custom post type. So whenever you enable a feature here, you will get another post type here. So that's a lot of troublesome. And at the same time, here if you come back here, a new here, when you design the template first, you do not have the options to choose the template type or the display conditions like we get in other header, footer, or the theme builder templates, or in the Elementor Pro. So you just have to design a simple template in Elementor, then assign it here in the settings. Here in the settings, you can activate it, choose the page, the template you have just designed here, and choose the display condition here, assignment here. Okay, so it's a little troublesome. It takes a little different steps, so that's why for that one, it is better to use this LA Studio kit. Here the steps are quite similar with Elementor Pro. We have to add new. I think I think they have copied exactly the exact UI of the Elementor Pro. I think maybe it is illegal or something, I don't know. So okay, let's try this. Here you can get the choose the option template. For example, there is a header. Okay, then let's call it this header. Create template. Okay, here. Okay, Here you can get the design using they have lots of site related. And here if I search menu, there, yeah, we have LA Studio Code nav menu, and this form elements ready, this elements form and nav. Okay, and here publish option, yeah, this is the one I'm talking about. Here this is just like Elementor Pro. So if you're familiar with Elementor Pro, then you'll familiar with this LA Studio Kit. So I think you will get the premium feature, the pro feature of Elementor Pro here for free. Yeah, literally for free. So I think yeah, at least little unbelievable at first. This is not the first time that I see the exact same thing, that Elementor Pro features are available in the free plugins. I also found these features in another Elementor add-on called Opal something, yeah, Opal add-ons, but that one is not updated for very long time. That's why I'm not using it. Yes, that's why I do not make any videos about that plugin. But this yeah, plugin is updated and compatible for the latest version of WordPress and Elementor. That's why I really like this plugin. Okay, and yeah, I have almost covered the two plugins now, Master Element and LA Studio Kit. Okay, LA Studio Kit is for designing the headers and other theme builder items, and Master Kit for designing the WooCommerce pages, WooCommerce account page, checkout page, WooCommerce single product page. And for the Elements Ready, this for the templates and widgets. For the templates and widgets, Elements Ready is much more. Here they have lots of free cool stuffs here. Yeah, pages, these are all free. Yeah, there is also pro items, but yeah, lots of cool stuffs here. Yeah, you can insert these ones, footer. Yeah, lots of cool stuffs. And custom CSS, Elements Ready directly override the custom CSS tab of Elementor Pro. Here if I go to the advanced section, advanced and custom CSS here, they have directly override the Elementor Pro custom CSS tab in the advanced section. Here you can insert the custom CSS. So yeah, this is a very good feature about this Elements Ready. And here motion effects, this scrolling effects, this scrolling effects, there we have animation scrolling effects, and yeah, sticky effects. These are all cool Elementor Pro stuffs you'll get for free. And for the single item widgets, here if I go to advanced, here lots of options here. CSS transform, plotting effects, these are very cool stuffs. Yeah, cool stuffs, floating animation, these are very cool stuffs. So I think there are lots of features, tons of features included in these three plugins. Yeah, we can explore it slowly, but one thing I find by exploring these three plugins is that by using these three plugins, combination of these three plugins, we can do almost anything that Elementor Pro can do, except for the dynamic contents. Yeah, so yeah, this is very good news for Elementor free users like us. And to not to make your website bloated, disable the widgets that you do not need. Yeah, these three add-ons comes with tons of widgets, so disable those you do not need. Okay, here you can disable for example LA Studio Kit, widgets and extensions here. Okay, here you can disable those for example this post content. If you do not need, you can disable it. Okay, and same here, others too. Here add-ons, here the features you do not need, you can disable it. And elements ready, yeah, modules you can disable. For example, I do not need the header footer builder of this plugin, so I disable it. And components here, it has elements ready has a tons of widgets here. Some of are very useful, and yeah, like login or something, pop-up login register. If you're designing e-commerce website, these are the things are compulsory items, compulsory widgets. Okay, and so keep those usefuls and disable all those you do not need, so that you can load Elementor editor fast, you can load your website fast. Yeah, so I tried to cover almost everything about these three plugins, but it's not enough. This short video is not enough, so let's do one by one. Let's pick out the features one by one, or the widgets one by one, and let's do short videos about that. And if you are interested, yeah, don't forget to upvote, comment, anything, any video requests. And yeah, above all things, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Yeah, thanks for your support. Some of are very supportive of me. Okay, and I'm very grateful about that. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.